Hey guys, it's Josh Campbell, your mortgage lender here in Dallas. Wanted to talk to you for a quick second about how to get pre-qualified to buy your next new house. I see a variety of different approaches out there, and I guess in theory, someone could, if pull a credit report, ask you a few quick questions about your income type and payment history and things of that sort, your down payment, and tell you with relatively accurate results whether or not you in all likelihood be qualified to buy a house. However, taking that approach would probably be doing you a big disservice, because the process is not necessarily going to be that way. The mortgage process is not in any way designed to make you feel like you're not creditworthy or trustworthy. The process is really designed to satisfy the end result, or the end user, which would be the person who's ultimately putting up the money that's allowing you to finance your house. And that would be the investor. It's not necessarily your loan officer, your underwriter, the bank in which you're talking to. See, what banks do is they if they were to lend you money, their own money, eventually they would run out, because they lend billions and billions of dollars a year in mortgages, right? So what they do is they find an investor, someone who's interested in that degree of return on their investment, and they ultimately underwrite to a predetermined set of rules and standards that investor has agreed to purchase, and then they, after your loan closes, they trade that security on Wall Street as mortgage-backed security. Okay, so the process is designed to satisfy that end person. And knowing that going into it makes the process much more, much easier to understand, to comprehend why they ask the type of questions that they ask when you go through the full approval process, which is where an underwriter reviews everything, right? So what I would recommend in getting pre-qualified is go through and be as thorough as possible. Understand that when you provide your documentation, that anything that they can ask, they will ask. If there's any deposits on your bank statements that you've provided that are not clearly from your payroll, then they're going to ask about that, and you're going to have to document it and paper trail it and the whole nine. So, the same thing would be true about your pay stubs, your tax returns, any deductions that you may have taken for unreimbursed expenses, etc. Those are going to be asked about. And so knowing that going into the process is going to make the whole thing work more smoothly. Work with your loan officer, help them understand the circumstances around every detail that you can possibly think of about your financial snapshot. And do that early in the process, and that person, that loan officer, is going to be able to help you navigate the process more effectively. I hope this helps. Good luck with buying your next house. And if you don't have a loan officer, call me. You can find my contact information online. Just Google my name, Josh Campbell, along with the word mortgage, and there's lots of profiles and websites and blogs, etc., that you can find my contact information. 972-904-3694 is my direct number. I look forward to helping you and working with you soon. Good luck. Thanks.